Hey YouTube, welcome back. Alright, so today I got another cool video. This is going to be a how-to touch-up on pretty much anything dealing with chrome. So behind me what I have is my set of Jones 22-inch chrome tips that have some slight rust indentations around it, and just kind of you can see where it's accumulating. And I'm a perfectionist kind of at heart, so I want to get rid of that. So go ahead and stay tuned because I got some really cool stuff behind me. You probably have it in your kitchen drawer to get rid of that. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're back here. So the household stuff that you probably have in your kitchen or in your drawers is some tin foil, water. You can use white vinegar or even soda. Water works just as well. And just some napkins to dry off later. But let's go ahead and get on here. So here's the Jones tip that I was talking about. Ugly and nasty. So just a couple steps here. What I'm about to show you is just to saturate the actual chrome that you're trying to polish up, and simply just rub the aluminum. Check it out. Just go ahead and get it wet. It might take a little bit on this black stuff up here, which is road tar, but it will come off. So just hang with me. Check this out. Take your foil however you want to hold it, and due to aluminum being the foil a softer metal than the actual chrome, it will not scratch your chrome. And these I'm sure are stainless steel dipped in like a chrome, but look at that, guys, huge difference already. And I just did a couple wipes. Let's go ahead and get on in here. So here's the end. Look at all the rust that has kind of built up over time. And then look at this, just where I kind of just did some rubs. Watch this, watch. Simply just make your motions back and forth. And depending on what's stuck to the chrome, since this is so close to the ground, there's a lot of debris that does kind of chew up the foil. So you might need a couple pieces. I just dip it in the water to clean it off, to make it last a little bit longer. Look at that. Good as new. So I'm going to go ahead and get all this all scrubbed up. Stay with me, and I'm going to show you the after effect. Alright, we're back. And she is all finished. Look at that, guys. Literally, with just some foil, household foil, some water, and a little elbow grease, it turned these exhaust muffler tips that had some rust spots that started to accumulate to now back to its original finish. No scratches, no nothing, because again, the aluminum is a lighter metal than the chrome. So you're going to remove that rust and just leave your chrome back to its normal state. Hey guys, I'm glad you made it all the way through this video, and I hope it helped out in some way. Just go ahead to your kitchen or your local grocery store, pick you up some aluminum foil, get you a bowl of water, and get to scrubbing, because I promise this does work wonders, and you don't need any fancy chemicals or nothing like that. The aluminum, like I said, is a lighter metal and versus the chrome, so it's going to take off that rust, but also keep the chrome finish in its mirrored state without any type of scratches. So again, guys, thanks for tuning back in. Like always, continue to follow me because I have some awesome content coming your way. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell notification just so you do get all my future vids. Drop me a comment down below and hit that like button. Until next time, God bless.